Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome yesterday in the daily newspaper of Thursday, January the 11th, 2024. Almost 2 weeks after New Year. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. And I have not so good news, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you that I have no extra puzzles. Okay, what I will do is in the yesterday's newspaper I have 3 puzzles left. Those 3 puzzles I will do in the evening. So at this moment, afternoon, I will solve the regular puzzles. See, no extra puzzles. Okay. And what's the news of today? Well, I told you the day before yesterday it's freezing. Yeah, the people are ice skating outside. Yes, ice skating. Well, the winter is arrived. Alright, first one, 3 Stars Sudoku, number 778. Let me zoom this. Okay, 778. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 Stars Sudoku has 25 printed digits, and for a 3 Stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it has 26 printed digits, so should be a 2 Stars puzzle, and for a 2 Stars puzzle I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, 2 minutes already passed, so let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the number which number can I pick? How about the 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left with 1 should be there. 1, okay. Need a 9. Yeah, 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. Need a 6 here, need a 6 there. Okay. Alright. 3. Wait. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 9. Need a 7 here, need a 2 here, need a 3 there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here, 3 in the last row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 5 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in the third column, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. That means in these 2, in the third column, these 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Do we have all the ones? No. How about 2 in this row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright, now I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left, the 7 should be there. The 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here are 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so no 7 there. So the only place left, the 7 should be there. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now, need to wait. How about the 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, the 3 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here. Need a 6. Need a 8. Come on. 2. Need an 8 here. And I need a... yeah. We have in this column 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have a 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Alright. Then 1 and 8. Come on, 2 numbers left in this big square. For number 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 5, 8, well, We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. So the only place left with 1 should be here. And the other two missing numbers should be the 5 and 8. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Can I count the ones? Yes, 1. All the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. 4 and 6. We have a 6 now in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. And the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 7, we have a 2 now in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left. Oh, wait. 2 numbers left here. 5 and 8. We already have 8 here in the third row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. The 5 in this row, the 5 in the third row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left with 5 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for us, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, we have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there, finish in 13 minutes, exactly. Well, we solve it again. But is this a 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. 1 star? No. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so let me give this a 0 stars. For 0 stars, you need to be faster than 14 or 13 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. You can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. In the evening, I will do the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday edition. Until then, bye-bye for now.